COVID-19 resources. Asckey Data Services. For over 20 years, Asckey has been supporting the facilities management industry through its range of FM software, including its fmfirst cleaning audit tool, which is used nationwide by NHS Trusts to help them meet the requirements of the NHS National Cleaning Standards. Asckey's internally developed CAFM software solution fmfirst Estates has a data-centric approach, helping facilities managers with their data-driven decision-making.
Looking after estates is never easy, and the risk of an ageing record system can mean assets break down, maintenance targets aren't achieved, and compliance standards aren't met. Lower staff productivity and shorter asset lifespan can also stretch your budget thinner and thinner. fmfirst Estates is a cost-effective, scalable and integrated FM software, suitable no matter if you operate one site or 150, a hospital or a hotel. In fact, any estate with multiple assets and locations. Reactive task management is simplified by using the built-in help desk and online portal, while PPMs are managed through a comprehensive task scheduling module. This handles the interaction between assets to be serviced, the actions and the frequencies involved, ensuring that compliance standards, including statutory, industry or even local requirements, are met. Our asset management module contains a full asset register showing location, full maintenance history and related documentation, all of which contribute to maximise asset life and performance. Once a task is allocated, it's available on the maintenance staff's mobile device to be carried out. When signed off, the task is automatically uploaded back to fmfirst. These are just some of the key features from fmfirst Estates. Contact us today for more information or to book a free demo.
Check out our COVID resource section for more listings like this.